In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable location in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If you want to stop websites from asking for your location, protect your privacy a little more, or just reduce those annoying permission pop-ups, this guide is for you. And as always, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner and click the three-dot menu icon. This opens the main Edge menu where all of your browser settings are located. From here, click on Settings. That will take you into the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This is the section where Edge keeps most of its privacy controls, tracking options, and site-related permissions. Next, scroll down until you find Site Permissions and click on it. Site permissions is where Edge controls what websites can access, like your camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Once you're inside site permissions, look for all permissions and click that. This gives you a full list of permission types that websites may request. Now find location and open that option. This is the page that controls whether websites can ask for access to your device's location. Here you'll see a switch labeled Ask Before Accessing. To disable location requests in Edge, simply toggle this switch off. Once it is turned off, websites will no longer be able to prompt you for location access in the usual way. This is a great way to keep your browsing more private and prevent sites from requesting location data when you don't want to share it. If you ever change your mind later, you can always come back to the same settings page and turn the switch back on. That's all there is to it. You've now disabled location in Microsoft Edge in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful browser tips, and I'll see you in the next one.